Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can display the statistics of a database using the db.stats method. So the output, you will be getting a document with the database name, the collections it is having, as well as the number of views. With that, object information like objects, the average object size, as well as the data size, the storage size, how many indexes it is having, the size of index, and other things. So let's see how we can display the statistics using the stats method. Let's first enter the database. Let's first see all the databases we have. Here it is using the showDBs command. Our database is demo. Let's enter using the use command. Use space database name. Press enter. So we are inside the demo database. Now we need to know the stats. So it's very simple. Write db.stats bracket stats method and press enter. So guys, on pressing enter, you can see here a document has been returned with the database name, which was demo. It is having 3 collections: views, object info, the size info, how many indexes it is having, the total size, index size, and other things are visible. Let's check it. So using the show collections method, we will display how many collections we have. Press enter. So we have 3 collections here and the same is visible here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can display all the statistics of a database using the stats method. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.